NHS England have asked local healthcare teams to deliver care in a new way. We in Manchester have designed a new system for cancer care to try and make this better for patients. This is called a Vanguard. There's 50 Vanguards that NHS have announced, but we're the only cancer Vanguard. In order to improve cancer care across Greater Manchester, we've brought together with this Vanguard a series of partners. The 3 partners include Manchester Cancer, where we bring in the clinical expertise, the Christie, of course, brings all the infrastructure, and Trafford CCG are able to bring commissioning expertise. We'll also be working with the Royal Marsden and UCLH. These are the cancer centres in London, and working with them to try and find out the best ways of improving cancer care for our patients. You'll have one organisation, one partnership that you'll be able to go to be assured that you're getting the right care.
Our main aim for the Vanguard is to improve outcomes for patients that are treated for cancer so that they survive longer and have a better quality of life. The Christie has got international expertise in delivering the very best treatment for cancer patients. What we want to do is coordinate that treatment with our partners to get patients to treatment much sooner.
The current issues, for example, in Greater Manchester are that we have very poor rates for late diagnosis of cancer. That is, we are diagnosing cancer too late. What we want to do as part of the Vanguard is to make sure that we diagnose cancer earlier, we can start treatment earlier, and that will produce better outcomes for patients. In addition to that, I think it's important that we look at the whole system. And by whole system, I mean looking at education, looking at prevention, early screening, early diagnosis, early treatment, right through the whole process, following up people after their treatment, and then of course end-of-life care.
We're very confident that we can achieve some fantastic outcomes. We've had patients right at the very centre of all of the design of the arrangements for this Vanguard process, so they're really right at the heart of designing these new pathways for our patients.
I think it's important that patients are helping to shape the way the model is going to be run, because who knows better than the patient? You're going to get so many different angles from everyone. You're going to get that you need to change waiting times, you need to change the communication between specialists. The patient is the person that experiences it all, so their feedback is going to be so valuable.
I think the important thing for patients is what they will see is a much greater profile for early diagnosis and screening within cancer. They will receive much quicker intervention and hopefully earlier diagnosis.
One of the great things about this partnership is we all bring something different, and working together we can make cancer care much better for the patients across Greater Manchester.
We can be right at the very leading edge of change that brings these improved outcomes. Nowhere else has been able to do this in this country so far, and at the Christie we like to lead the way in the development of new treatments and the best outcomes, so we're really excited about it.